Hi, John Eberhard from Real Web Marketing here. Okay, this is the fourth in a series of videos I'm making on a response-focused website and how to make your site more focused on getting people to respond and getting more people to respond. So now, there are basically two main types of responses you want to get from your website. One is someone who's going to actually be a lead or a sale directly. In other words, they are contacting you because they want to talk about buying your product or service, or they're actually going to buy it online in a shopping cart. So that's the first type. The second type is where you want someone to respond, but they're not going to buy right away. They're going to buy later on, or you want to put them on a mailing list so that you can communicate to them regularly and keep you in their mind for the point when they are finally ready to buy. So let's talk about the list building option, where you're trying to get somebody to respond and you want to get them on a mailing list, but they're not necessarily going to buy right now. So there are a number of ways that you can do that on a website, and I'm going to list out some for you. The first thing is a newsletter subscription. You offer a subscription to an email newsletter, and the person fills that out and they go on your list, and then you of course need to be sending out an email newsletter to them periodically. The next thing would be a white paper or a special report about something that has to do with your industry. And usually these are anywhere from 1,000 words to maybe 2,500 words, and you mock this up with some pictures and a cover, and usually it's informational with usually a short pitch at the end for your products or services. Okay, the next thing you could do would be to offer a webinar. So you offer this, and you have to then do the webinar maybe once a week, once a month, whatever it is. That's another way to build your list, is getting people to respond to that. Another thing could be a video or a series of videos that the person has to fill out and give you their name and email in order to see that. In other words, it's behind that curtain. You have to fill this out to see it. Another thing is a quiz. This is kind of a new thing. A quiz that the person takes, and they have to give you their email address to get the results. Another thing is, if you're selling software, offering a demo of the software. This is really effective for software sales. Another thing is a cheat sheet that shows solutions to various things that are in your, on your topic or in your industry. And another thing is a toolkit or resource list of various things having to do with, your topic. And last thing is some kind of an assessment or test or a grader, like going to grade their website or grade their marketing efforts or grade their customer service or something like that. So these things are all good ideas and things that you can offer in order to build your mailing list, and you have to test them and see which things work the best.